Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaskar. I am Ananta Padmanabha Prabhu, Assistant Director of Physical Education, PES College of Engineering, Mandya, Karnataka. So today I am here to introduce my Department of Physical Education and Sports of ESC Mandya. So the department is having a aim of fit and fine in body and mind, inculcate physical activity and sports is a way of life. It is a long-term goal or vision of our department to make physical activity and sports is a way of life. And to fulfill this long-term goal, we are having a four mission. It is called an objective. So these visions are first and foremost to provide and facilitate most advanced sophisticated state of the art of sports infrastructure and facilities with uncompromising qualities, and our all the trustees, our founder, all our president, trustees and principal and all the staffs are putting great effort to provide good infrastructure, to develop a good infrastructure and facilitate it without compromising quality. Second mission is organizing various innovative awareness programs, such as sporting awareness activities or webinars, seminars, cultural activities, especially to indoctrinate sports consciousness, increase skill development, cultivate spirit of sportsmanship to promote the value of integrity. And the third vision mission of our department is to organize various intramural sports activities, adventure activities, recreational and other cultural competitive activities that meets the health and fitness needs of the whole PSC family. Not only to the students, even we are organizing different activities within the campus to the staff members, management people to become healthy. And last but not least, vision of our department is to create greater opportunity to the students to participate in various sports competition, extramural sports competition, you can say intercollegiate sports competition or open national competition, to make best college in sporting activities among the engineering colleges affiliated to VTU Belgaum. This is the main mission of our department to fulfill the vision, long-term vision. And here you can see the great personality, two personalities. One is Swami Vivekananda and second one is the Plato. The Swami Vivekananda, he is lived in during 18th centuries, and on that day only set 100 years back, no, 18 now 2000 means 18th century, 150 years back only he said better to construct a stadium instead of constructing 10 hospitals. But what we are doing, so in present day, we are more interested to construct an hospital uh, than the stadium. If we construct one stadium, each and every corner of each cities, and stadium every corner, each and every corner of our country, so that will help us to develop health. At least if you provide infrastructure, automatically that will attract the people to get involved themselves in the sporting activities or physical activities. So that is the motivation. That is the motivation drive. So that will the motivation drive. So it will help people. It will change the attitude of the people, because you know the behavior will change. so automatically if attitude will change, it will directly change their behavior. Behavior means action. So passive attitude will be changed to active attitude, so that will be more useful in modern day society. And the second one is like Plato. He is lived in nearly 2300 400 years back, because he born 428 BC and lived till 348 BC. So nearly 75 years he lived. So he said that lack of physical activity will destroy the good condition of uh, every human being, while movement and methodical physical exercise save it and preserve it. So it means that doing physical activity is not important. So how you are doing, whether you are doing methodical or scientifically, you are doing activities more important. Sometimes if you done the physical activity in a wrong way, it will make adverse effect. It will make some adverse effect. So it will make make to have some problems. So that is why with guru you are doing exercise is more important. And next one is here next slides you can see the inactivity level of the globe. So why here I want to say why you have to get involved in physical activity with some facts. So in global inactivity, so you can see US is having people are 40% people are inactive, UK 36%, Brazil 47%, India 34% people are inactive, whereas in China 14% are people are inactive, means nearly 86% of people are active. And most active peoples lived in Uganda, 94.5 people are active, only 5.5% adults are inactive. And Kuwait, the most adults are inactive, nearly 67% of people are inactive. And in the right corner you can see the mortality rate, the death rate because of COVID-19. Here US out of 63,06,412 people COVID affected people, 1,89,000 people are died. Whereas in Brazil also 41,47,000 people, to 1,26,000 people are died. When compared to the death rate with India and Russia, so it is very less. In India 42 lakh people, only 72,000 people are died. So because in US and Brazil, so 47% of people are inactive, whereas in India only 34%, whereas in China 14%. Because of that only China was come up with COVID-19 as early, because as Darwin said, survival of the fitness. So those who are fit, they will survive. We don't know how many COVID-19 diseases will come in future, but in the one side I am very thankful to COVID-19, because at least because of COVID-19 peoples are those who are living in the AC, they get into the ground to do exercise. Those who forget to do exercise, or those who are having passive of doing exercise, they are now be active because to survive, because if they wanted to live, they have to do they should do regular exercise. So that is the only way to become fit and fine in body and mind. So that is why. And second important, because of COVID-19, so in every house now the new room was constructed now. So with a fitness center, they are purchasing more and more fitness related equipments, and they developed fitness gym room in their home itself, because of lockdown period they cannot go outside. So that's why for the change of environment, the only way is doing physical activity within their home. So that is the good change of attitude of people, because that will make our country to be stronger and healthier in future. Because the strongest country, the country which is having stronger people, stronger means physically healthy and mentally healthy, because if you are physically healthy, automatically your mind will be very healthy and more active. And next, here you can see the data of India. So in India, nearly 44% of women are inactive, means out of 5, 3 people are inactive, whereas in men, out of 4 people, only 25% mean 1 people are inactive, 3 people are active. And in right side you can see, so even the men are affected by the COVID is more, the mortality rate is very less, the death rate is very less in men and compared to women. Even women are affected COVID-19 less in numbers, but the mortality rate, the percentage of people who are died, those who are affected is more. So that is why fitness is very very important. So health is very very important. There is no any shortcut to become fit and healthy. One is the proper diet, good diet, good combination of diet, and second one is the exercise. Some people will say the mitochondria will be the powerhouse. Yeah, mitochondria is a powerhouse. Yes, it will provide only the ATP, but ATP, the energy, when energy will produce only when the muscles are contracted, the ATP, so energy bond, that will be breakdown, the phosphate ion will be removed and energy will be explored while breakdown of ATP. That is only happen when muscles are contracted, skeletal. So whichever is it, when movement muscles when will contract, so when we do the movement, so that will only make us produce energy and make us to burn whatever we will eat. If you are not, so even that carbohydrates, so most of the foods what we are taking, the carbohydrate rich food, so that if you are not using carbohydrate, that will be converted into fat and stored in adipose tissue, that will be the main cause for obesity. So some data says in 2025, so nearly 40% of our young generations, they will become they will suffer from obesity. To avoid that, because of that only, the government of India and every state of our countries are implemented Fit India movement. I am very thankful to our President, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to make this make and implement this program, Fit India movement program. And here you can say what nature says. Nature says movement is very basic in living beings. So if there is no movement, means you will become a dead body, so you will be called as non-living being. If movement is there, then then only you can say you are a living being. So movement is very basic according to nature. So in the dictionary word, there is two meaning to nature. One is our nature, our behavior, our attitude. The second one is nature, what we see around us. If you go against the nature, if our nature is against the nature, we cannot survive. The nature will not leave us to survive in this within this nature. So that is why doing movement regularly is very important. If you forget the movement, you will definitely die earlier. And you can nowadays present day medical experiment make us make us to live 100 years, but living 100 years is not important. So how you lived, whether you are lived healthy or not, it is more important than the living 100 years. So lifespan, how you enjoyed our lifespan, whether we are healthy or we healthy without any diseases or happily, that is more important. So that is please make and get involved in physical activity, regular physical activity. And if our body will fit, mind will hit, fit body always having fit brain. We cannot separate body and mind. We cannot separate body and mind. It's like two faces of coin. So we cannot separate it. It is interconnected. Body and minds are interconnected. In right side you can see our there are two parts. We can divide the mind, the brain, into two parts, right and left brain. So right brain will control our left body part, and left brain will be control our body part. So if it means that if you are doing right body part exercise, if you are moving some of your right body parts, definitely it will affect on your left brain. And if you are doing exercise to left brain, left body parts, that will be affect on right brain. So whenever you will whenever you will get bored, so that if you done physical exercise, so automatically it will recreate your mind and make you attentive, more attentive in academic aspects. And here you can see in no exercise, less neurons are activated in the mind. If you are doing regular exercise with exercise, so more neurons are activated. So regular exercise will, and even research shown that those who are physically active, their mental IQ, their IQ level will be more when compared to inactive people. It's because of this reason. If you are doing regular exercise, more neurons are activated, means your IQ will be more. Okay, if you have a leading sedentary lifestyle, your IQ will be less. So in modern days, what is happening? So instead of walking, we are going to bike. We will used to bike, and instead of instead of standing, we will going to sit. Or instead of playing, we are more interested to become spectators. So that will make us to change our lifestyle to sedentary life. So this is the main reason to have some hypokinetic diseases, and that is a major hazard of modern society. And next, here you can see some of the exercise which will be help us to develop some of the mental qualities. Here GAD in 2018 said not all exercises are created equal, so different exercise will affect on different ways. So here I explain some of the exercise which will help us to train our brain. So if you wanted to improve your concentration, so yoga and aerobics will help us a lot. Because what is the difference between yoga and other exercise? Why yoga is more very useful to develop concentration, even aerobics? Because yoga is yogasana. Yoga is a way of life. It is a combination of Ashtanga Yoga, Yama Niyama Asana Pranayama Pratyahara Dharana Dhyana Samadhi. So 8 steps are there. So one is asana. Why yogasana will improve concentration? It's because yogasanas are different from exercise. The yogasanas will be performed kaya, vacha, manasa. Kaya means our work, vacha means our talk, and manasa means our mind. So by concentrating these 3 things on exercise, we are performing. So that is yogasana. And exercise, while you are doing other exercise, our mind will be somewhere, our body will be doing exercise, we are talking something other than related to exercise. So that is why, while doing yoga, our mind, body, and talks, all things are in one place. so concentrate, so that will improve concentration. Even aerobic also, while doing aerobic we are concentrate on music and movement. If we movement, and we will talk on the movement itself, so our mind will be concentrated in one aspect, so it is called dharana. It will make improve concentration. Second one, to improve blood circulation, so improve blood circulation, because dumbness, to come up with the dumbness, so it is very important. Increasing blood circulation is more important. To do cardio activities, cardio activity means long durational activities. And some of the people, when I was doing in college, they'll come near to me, sir, last 6 month onwards I am doing exercise, but still I didn't reduce my fat. Yeah, he said right. Yeah, he is not reduce his fat because he is not done exercise. He done cardio activity more than 1 hour. Regularly he done more 1 hour activity, but he is not followed scientific way. There are 4 principles to reduce fat. So one is do exercise rhythmically, and rhythmic activity, slow, or I can say brisk walk, slow activity, rhythmic activity, and to the beat, and more than 30 minutes of activities, because fat only digest after 30 minutes or 20 minutes of activity. Aerobic activity will start. That is why this is for important. Slow rhythmic, longer than 30 minutes activities will reduce your fat. So, and the third is memory. To improve memory, you have to do aerobic walking, cycling, means long duration activity will improve your memory power. And stress and anxiety, to control or reduce stress and anxiety, so you have to go for yoga. And to reduce depression, so aerobic exercise are more, aerobic and yoga exercise are, or breathing exercises are more useful. And here you can see different infrastructure we developed in our campus. So we had our college is having international standard turf tennis, 3-layer tennis court, three tennis turf courts are there, and even we had one clay court, so which will be provided to all the students and maintained well. And next we had a swimming pool having 8 lanes and maintained very neatly, and it is having regularly chlorinized. 8 tracks we are having of 25-meter length. And next we had a cricket ground. It is maintained by KC, and you can see international standard grass cricket ground where it is having 4 turf pitch, and even you can see other infrastructures available in cricket ground to maintain cricket field. And we had practice pitches of 4 practice pitches also. And next we had good indoor badminton hall, which is having 4 wooden court with good lighting facilities. And even it is having badminton hall is having a separate gym, weight training hall, or gym training hall, especially to train the peoples who are coming, who are involved in the badminton activity. And recently we developed a table tennis school, table tennis stadium, so which is having nearly 10 table tennis boards with ball feeding machines, 2 ball feeding machines, and different sizes of board to make excel. And we had good volleyball courts with floodlight, 2 volleyball courts with floodlight. And we had separate coco and kabaddi courts with floodlight. And we also had weight training room for separate for men and women. At a time 40 men and 40 women are getting involved in weight training activities, which is having nearly 40 to 50 different equipments. And we also had powerlifting and weightlifting facilities to produce powerlifters and bodybuilders also. And we had a separate basketball court which is which is of cement court, and even we are having separate one basketball pole to practice other than this court. And we had an outdoor stadium, multi sports outdoor stadium, so we can put 200-meter track inside that. And even we are using this ground to football or hockey, handball, and some other events. And even it will be utilized during different cultural activities, mass activities which are conducted at our campus from our college. And we are also having left side corner below, we can see the sand track, which will be very useful to give training. And we are also provide opportunity to play recreational activities such as carom board facility also. And even we provide chess facilities also. And most important, we are having good Chaudhaya auditorium to do practice yoga regularly. Early morning and evening, peoples are nearly 100 peoples are facilitated in this auditorium to perform yoga regularly. And early morning and evening, the local yoga guru practitioners will come and teach other people. Those who are interested can participate. And we are also having scientific park, science park, which is having nearly 40 to 50 experiments, having practical interaction, and give practical interaction to the people, first year people, on basic sciences. So these are the infrastructure we developed at our campus and provided both to the student and even to the PSC family staff members. And it will be, the facility will be extended to the peoples of Mandya, in around Mandya also. And more, you can see in our campus morning and evening nearly 500 to 1000 people are coming to walk to become healthy. And we are giving primary importance to our students, because student is first, then the public. So for example, in a volleyball court, we are having 2 volleyball court. If one court will be utilized by our college, second one will be the vacant, then the public public can use that ground at evening, if it is free. If our students came, they have to leave the student. And here I can remember Dr. James Levin, director of Mayo Clinic and a principal investigator for the National Institute of Health, NIH, United States. He said that sitting is more dangerous than smoking, kills more people than HIV, and is more treacherous than parachuting. So we are sitting ourselves to death, Dr. James Levin. So he said that sitting for a longer duration, it will make us to die. So then what we have to do? So we have to do minimum physical activity. So WHO prescribes the minimum activity guidelines. Activity has to done by the people. So children 5 to 18 years has to do 60 minutes of physical activity every day, and adult 19 to 64 years means we are in college, we will come under this slab. So 19 to 60 years, even we staff 60 years, we will get rated, but we will come in this slab. So we have to do 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per day, for every day per week. And adults can do 60 after retirement, 65 years, 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise, walking, jogging, and along with the strength exercise 2 days a week. So every 2 days a week means weekly 3 days we have to perform 150 minutes of activities. So this is prescribed by the WHO. So in our college also, all these facilities provided an opportunity to the students, faculties and public to build better healthy lifestyle. The main focus is on students to encourage them in sport apart from their academic excellence. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so physical education and sports is not only the department, so it's not only the simply the doing exercise. So physical education and sports is a way of healthy life. Be active, get fit, stay healthy. Sun will set today, but tomorrow definitely it will rise. But don't forget to do physical activity. As I said earlier, fit will survive in future. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.